Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate Old Navy credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in oldnavy.com/activate and press enter. The Old Navy credit card is a store credit card offered by the popular clothing retailer Old Navy. To activate your credit card, you can go ahead and type in your credit card number available on your credit card or the back of your credit card, which is 16-digit long, and then enter your security code available on your credit card itself as well. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number on the next field and select your occupation from the drop down under occupation. Finally, click on the activate button and follow the prompts till the end in order to finish off your Old Navy credit card activation. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.